The Maverick hails sprinter Akeem Blake this evening on winning the 100-meter event at the Diamond League final on the weekend, beating the likes of Olympic bronze medalist Fred Curley, as well as Christian Coleman and Akine Simbini. Blake's 9.93 was the only sprinter under 10 seconds. And look, over the past recent months, it's like Akeem Blake has been relegated to Jamaica's third-string 100-meter sprinter, with Oblique Seville and Kishane Thompson stepping forward. But we do need young Blake to continue to improve and stay healthy, to maintain that competitive edge for himself, Seville, and Thompson going forward. This, of course, if we want to return to our dominant days in male sprinting. Blake and Seville and Kishane Thompson need to keep each other honest. So big up again. Keep reaching for the stars, Akeem Blake. Love how the little Diamond League food you go over there, go take.